ki khubor ka bate CTV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kishpautuli ke Autonomous District Council jong athan chitay lamingi. Menta kasngi ka arpsan direk unaitung kilayo abanya kendo yo Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Balayo ro banyak keren baik tang halor kapang jong ka kernet benrio. Hakani ka jinga kendo nakaliang kishpautuli ke EDC kilayo aban IT yak dor khas jo Amit Shah. Bad hakani ka jinga kendo nakaliang jong kishpautuli ke EDC gila pensengau ya lagi jong ki mat jura. Hakani ka jinga kendo Union Home Minister ula menjur mandan kawai ka komiti ka bansakli do Union Home Minister of State. Baca kini an pendak apa Bniah bin Bishal Bniah ya baro.
Very well addressed. We are very happy that the Home Minister of India has assured us that in the next 1 month they will be addressing all our issues, which means the 25th of August. And he has assured us if the agreement was signed when another government was in place, any commitment given by the government of India on any accord, any agreement will be honoured, because that is not agreement by BJP or Congress, is by the government of India. We are also very happy that a positive attitude was taken by the Home Minister, and we are hopeful because the councils may be different. I've heard you ask question, what does 125th Amendment mean? It may mean something for the Khasi, Garo Hills, Jainte Hills. It may mean something else for BTR. It may mean something for Karbi Anglong. It may mean something completely different for Tripura. But all our problems will be individually heard by a committee and will be addressed so that there is a solution which is amicable. The most important thing is we don't want to go into confrontation. We want to give rights to our people, our community, and if this is how we progress, we will welcome it in a positive manner.
Nakaliang dui tungka EDC kakenbun joki Autonomous District Council hapo North East Yorkaway bakentuk na do ya ka Tripura Territorial Council nangta ka Badalam Territorial Council Karbi Anglong nangta ka Dimahasau ka Khasi Hills, Jainte Hills, Garo Hills nangta ka Chakma, Lai Batmara baro chputli ki Autonomous District Council nilai kendu mentak sini report nampak Delhi badu kunju niladon ya ka meeting ka Bakerpang ka Bashimpor jan hadu Shtengata badu Union Home Minister Amit Shah pan ya pensno tempau ke jing dan kam ke jing hakabide bakani ka schedule amendment de habide bakani ka schedule amendment bila pensno but hoi ni danala ki jong ki jing ni ki Jingdawa ki jongi Henry ya baro ikini ki Jingdawa ke jongi nakaliang jong Union Home Minister la ai kata ka jubab dari la pensno hani ba ko Bniah hapo ka Bniah ko mo ko absam to Bniah pen 1 August but pendep ini kam berbishar Bniah but considered ka committee about Union Home Minister of State untuk kam but nakaliang jungi ni penpau ke gentleman but I could like pang ya Home Minister Amit Shah la sengap perla shimkhai ni ka kam habide kanika sexual amendment kermen scam ba kini baru kijing penslo ke jungi habide benang penklan shushu yaki EDC hapo North East khamtam ni wan naka jela Meghalaya ike ki bangi ni semua bangi dan kam ban ya dan lang ban long ye te ni batli ki nong nong Meghalaya batli ling ba ni ka sexual amendment kan nong ka jimutoi ba jingdawa ni ya keren betang ka bede ba sexual hoi na baro spotli ki EDC ni dan lak ki jong ki jing pensno Jingdawa ka dumi Henry ya kan ni ladap ban menjur da menteri mene bandon ya kawe ka komiti ka ban sakli da Union Home Minister of State ya kan ni batang hapo Bniah on pendap ban singap lu baro khot ki details dengan namla ban batai lu ya baro ki jenat hame de Henry ka bastunat kalong ba Union Home Minister la pediang ya ketika ki ka memorandum ka jungi ka bangi Thaw ba pangi ahli ka kata de ka sila benong ba nila krep poi syaka jingjok hangwe de ba ketika benta ka bangi lai ki la slam hanadu snam arja ka khandai ka video kenika 6 schedule amendment